Arcesaria Don Albertini gets away immediately. Balkan Lady Malaya is outside, Breaking Bad. And I'm coming is the early trailer. Don Albertini, Balkan Lady is outside. Then racing in third by Alenka is Malaya, Breaking Bad. And I'm coming. Balkan Lady, the leader by about 2 lengths. Don Albertini alongside third, Malaya, Breaking Bad in fourth, and I'm coming. He's still racing last. Balkan Lady by only a length. Malaya now in second. Don Albertini in third. Here comes Breaking Bad now in fourth. I'm coming. Balkan Lady, Malaya, Don Albertini, Breaking Bad is running by Drella. Balkan Lady still the leader by half a length. Malaya on the outside. Breaking Bad is a very close third. Don Albertini on the outside. Malaya running by the race. Balkan Lady. Here comes Breaking Bad on the outside. The last day come down at the last day of the day. Malaya, Breaking Bad is on the outside. Balkan Lady. Malaya is still in front. Breaking Bad is on the outside second, but it's still Malaya over Breaking Bad. And finally, Malaya. Breaking Bad, Don Albertini, Balkan Lady. I'm coming.
For our race number 2 mga kaibigan, ating unofficial winner, the favorite, entry number 5, Malaya. Nasa segundo numero 4, Breaking Bad. Numero 1, Don Albertine. And 2 horse, then po, on 3 horse, I'm coming. So yan po.